Alright, hello YouTube, and fellow streamers. My name's Herb Hendricks from Twitch. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the standards on your OBS here. On how to set up, on how this looks right now. This is just your basic setup for capturing your screen, capturing your camera if you have it. And I'll also go over how to multi-stream today. Right now I'm going to show you guys on how to add scenes, add sources, and I'm just going to stay on this one. I made this for the video itself, but I'm going to show you guys still on how to add them. So right now, in order to make your own scene, you're going to go to this plus sign over here. So once you go to the plus sign, you're going to type in whatever you want, test. Okay? So now that once we got the test, this will make you your own scene. So in order to add sources, because you can do this in any of them, you'll hit this plus sign right here. Obviously, I'm not going to use the test one, otherwise you guys won't be able to see what I'm doing. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit plus sign on this. And to capture your display, we're going to go to this, for your monitor, we're going to go to display capture. And then you can do whatever you want. You know, just whatever wording you want, to be honest. Test. Create a new. Oh, this name already exists. Hold up. Test 1. Alright. So right here, you're going to be select the display to capture. So you choose whatever monitor you want. Right here, it states your primary monitor. Or you can use your secondary monitor in order for it to capture that screen. If you want people to see both of your screens, you can actually go like this. And you can resize it to where now you'll have your other screen up here as well. But that's not what we're wanting to do right now. What we're wanting to do is we're wanting to get you guys main screen. This is just if you want to display this, you can have something playing up over here if you want. But that's... So we're going to go ahead and we're going to delete it. And if you don't know how to remove a source, it's right here, and this way you guys start over. So we're going to go ahead and add source. We're going to go to our display capture. I already have it existing, obviously, right here. But, again, we're going to go with test 1. We're going to select our primary monitor. Hit OK. So this is what it's going to look like when it's just your monitor on the screen. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to remove these other ones, because now you guys can see the screen. Alright, so now that we got our screen, just so you know that it is just a screen, there's a screen behind it. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add another source. This one is going to be for your camera. So we're going to hit the plus sign again and go to video capture device. Alright, and now we're going to title this test 1 again, because obviously it's just another test. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I forgot I have this monitor. So test 2. And we're going to select our camera. So you need, see how I selected my camera, but now it's up here, and you can't do anything about it? It's because you have an existing camera on a different source. So you can't add a camera again unless you use the existing one. Now, if you don't have one set up, you're not going to end up having this problem. This problem I've found is only when you already have a scene set up and you got to use the existing scene and not a different one. So we're going to go ahead and remove this. And since I already have mine as existing, video capture device again, We're going to go ahead and label it test 2 again. Or, sorry, not label it test 2. Create new. You can put in the name for the new one, but I'm going to add the existing one, which is my camera. And this will allow it to display. Now, you can have your camera any size you want. You can make it small, you can make it big, whatever you want. You can do it manually, or you can right click, transform, and then you can go fit to screen. And now it is fit to your screen. So I like mine in the corner. I do have it overhanging. You see how there's a little bitty gap? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to overhang it. Now, if you want to add anything else to your stream, like wording, we can also add that. So right here for text, you can be like, you see how I already have some existing. I'm going to use a different one, which is, now I can use the word text too because it's not being used. So you can select a different type of font if you want, different sizes. You can even have effects. Strikeout, underline, anything you want. So we're going to save the text as test. So now we're going to scroll down. We're going to go down to color. We're going to select our color. We're going to go, we'll say red. And then now we have a red color. And you can move this around anywhere you want. So like if you're doing like giveaways or anything else, you can have it up here at the top, up here to the side. That states your giveaway, subathon, anything else. So, but when you're not using it for any of these, you see this eyeball right here. You can click on it, and now it goes away. You don't have to retype it because it's still there. So when you're not doing your subathon, you still have it. You just, now it's just hidden from everybody else. And then whenever you're ready to do it again, a giveaway again, anything, you just go boom, there it is. And now you can have the wording still there, but also hidden at the same time. Next thing you're going to want to do after you set this up, write this, is make sure your audios are set to the correct thing. So now we're going to go to my audio, which you're going to hit for mic, the 3 dots, and properties. So mine is set up for SteelSeries. I'll show that in a different video. But select whatever mic you have. Like this one is the camera, my mic and my camera. This one is for my headset, and this one's for my volume mixer, which has all that stuff already in it. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to click this, and you hit OK. This is just to make sure, like if you don't see your mic moving when you're doing test, that's probably why you don't have it set up to the correct one. So you want to make sure that it's set up correctly. Your desktop volume will automatically pick up stuff, but just in case, you can go ahead and hit properties. Again, I have my SteelSeries, but you can have anything you want here. Just make sure you're always clicking everything on the correct thing. If you don't see it moving, then it's not correct. You need to go over here. You need to pick whatever you have, and that will help you get your volume correct. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. But whenever you're done clicking whatever you got, you're going to hit OK. For me, because I already got it on what I want, I'm going to hit cancel. So that will go through just the basics on text, your camera, how to capture your screen. Next, we're going to go ahead and go into our settings. This is going to link your Twitch account to your OBS. Oh, wrong place. Settings. This gets me every time because it's saying actually a setting, the settings. even though it's a setting symbol, you go to settings. Alright, so now you're going to go to stream. You're going to select your service. Right now we're just doing Twitch. If you want to use YouTube, you can. We're also going to adapt more on the restream.io today as well. But we're going to go here. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to disconnect my account. This way you guys see it from the start, right? Connect account. Use Steam key. You can use your Steam key. I'll go ahead and I'll show you how to get your Steam key. So in order to go to get your Steam key, you need to pull up your Twitch. And I'll go ahead and go back to my channel. You go to Creator Dashboard. Go down to Settings. You go down to Channel. Sorry, you go down to Stream, which is your very first tab. And right here is your stream key. Don't show this to anybody. I'm going to go ahead and hit the copy button. And I'm going to paste it. Now I'm going to apply and hit OK. This should link your account. Now another way you can do it instead of doing it that way is we'll go ahead, we'll go back to stream. We'll hit connect account. And you'll go ahead and you'll type your information in. Hold up 1 second. The hard part is remembering your fucking passwords. I normally keep something on my computer that allows me to know what my passwords are. Oh wait, I think I remember what it is. There we go. Since I have my authenticator set, I also have to get my authenticator code, which is what I'm doing. If I can remember where the app is. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, it's authorizing. And then you just hit OK. You are done. Everything's now connected. You'll get your little chat box here, your stream information box here, and this stream information box, this you can type in test, your going live notification, and what game you are playing. Whenever you're done with this, setting all this up, you can go ahead and you'll hit done. You do your tags, anything you want right here. Just it will reflect on the site itself on Twitch. So we'll go ahead and we'll hit done. Now your stream info updated successfully. This over here on the right is just your chat, and this allows you to see what your chat says instead of using your phone. And you can also type in there also. But don't worry if you end up accidentally closing these out. I'm going to show you how to find these. So right here in dock, you go right here to chat. Boom. Now your chat is back up. And even though it placed it over here, like this, you can still move this around. You can move this off of OBS if you want and have it on a different screen. You don't have to keep it on the same screen. The only thing is, if you minimize it, all of it goes. The other one was stream information. And right here, this is now back. Now you can change your information again. Boom, test one. Next one, if you really want to see them, you got your stats for Twitch. Shows you your how many people are in your stream, how long you've been live, how many clips, how many views, followers, subs, everything. All right here. So this one's your action feed, which is tells you who followed you, what bits, who played what channel point, everything else. So you also have that in here as well. You don't actually have to go to the Twitch website in order to see your stuff. Alright, so now we got just the basic stuff set up. If you want to add more stuff, you can. So if you have a web browser source, like anything, like if you want to use stream elements for audio, like that's the one I use. You can add the web source in here too. So right here, plus to browser, and right here's my stream elements alerts. You can also add your Twitch alerts in here, which is what we're going to do, because this is a standard alert that everybody should have. If you want to get a little bit more fancy, you can. So this one I forgot to pop up already, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Alright, so we're going to go bring back up my Twitch. So you're going to go back to your creator dashboard to alerts. Now, so right here it states how it works: create alert box, edit alerts, add browser source. So I already got one set up. You can add any type of visuals in this. You can do all different types of stuff. So, oh my god, I'm so tired. You see how like mine is customized the way I want it. You can put your stream elements in here. Okay, so your browser source is right here. So you're just going to copy this. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go ahead and hit test. What are we on? Test 3. We're going to go. All right, now that we're here, URL. We're going to copy that in here. Hit OK. Now this box right here, even though it doesn't have anything in here, it is your alert box. And whenever an alert goes through, it's going to pop up on there on your stream, but not on yours. So that's what it looks like when it happens. So you can change the size you want, place it anywhere you want, but that is your test. And how you test it out to see what I just did, right here in your Twitch, send test alert or preview alert. Preview alert be here, test alert will be in your OBS. Alright, so that is to get your alerts to go through OBS, your camera, your screen, some wording just in case you want to do some giveaways. We're going to go ahead now and we're going to do how to set up multi-stream if you want to stream to Twitch and stream to like YouTube. So in order to do that, you'll have everything set up just like this. You'll go here, restream.io. I already have mine set up. I've already logged into both accounts. But right here on the home dashboard, plus new stream. And then we're going to do Restream Studio. Stream directly from your browser. Wait. Yep. What is all this shit? Sorry. That was the wrong thing. Oh, right here. Encode, RPS, go live from OBS, Zoom, blah, blah, blah. So, right here is your URL, your stream key. And you'll see this. So, right here is how you add channel. You'll go ahead, you'll click YouTube if you want YouTube, Twitch if you want Twitch. I'm going to go ahead and authorize it. This way, oh, I guess I can't really do it without removing my current one. I don't know why I just didn't do a new one, but whatever. But you're basically just going to add it right there, authorize them, and now they're going to be over here to your right. If they're grayed out like this, that means it's not going to stream like that to them. So this little flip the switch, boom. Now I'm going to stream to YouTube. Boom. Now I'm going to stream to both. Now you could upgrade on this site to pay a little bit extra money, and it will allow you up to, I think, 4 for the upgrade. But say I want to just stream to Twitch that day and I don't want to change out some stuff on OBS. I'll just go ahead and I'll just click off my YouTube, and now it's grayed out. Now it will not go live on my YouTube, but only my Twitch. Now, to add this to your OBS, you'll go ahead and right here, your stream key, we'll do just like we did with the Twitch. Copied. That's what these squares are for, are copying them. We'll go back here. We'll go to settings again. Go to stream. Select service. Restream.io this time. Use stream key. Oops, shoot. Ah, where'd it go? Sorry. Stream. Stream.io. Connect account. You'll do the login just like normal. Put this over here so y'all can't see it. Are you serious? Which one has the cars? Vroom vroom. Alright. Now it's going to ask if you wanted to accept. Yes. Boom. Now I'm in. Okay. So this is what pops up with Restream. So you know how we did the click on and off on the Restream website? Well, now we have it here, we don't have to do that. Well, we can click it off here, my YouTube, and all that. If you want to do it here, you can. If you don't have to. You can have this closed out, and you can just go to the website. It does the same thing. Here's your title, just like before. Your description. This will update both. It won't just update one. It won't just update Twitch. It will update YouTube as well. And right here will be your chat. When people are talking in bold, it'll have their symbol right here on the left side of their name. So that way you know they're coming from either Twitch or YouTube. Go ahead, I'll close these out. Again, these are in your docs. Restream channel. So you don't have to have them up at all times. Like, I can just sit there, I could be doing this, update it, close it out. Then when I gotta change it out again, bring it back up. Now, that's how you do just the basics right here in OBS to your Twitch and to Restream. Now, if you have any questions, you can always comment below, and I'll try to get back to you the best I can. Or you can, I am also on Twitch. I don't care if you guys want to reach out to me on there. Again, my name is Sir Mandrix. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.